In this video, I will guide you how to add picture inside text in PowerPoint. It's pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. First, open the blank slide and then go to the insert on the top menu bar. And on the right side, you will see that there is a text box. Click on that and write the desired text. So expand it and increase the font size to 250. Make it bold. Center align it. You can also use Arial black for this. So need to reduce the little 200, even 180. Yes, this is much better. So now head to the insert again and go to the pictures. Click on this device and I have a picture here. Select it and now resize the picture to the text. You can also zoom out the canvas and now select the both image and text and now head to the shape format and on the left side you will see that merge shapes. Click on that and click on intersects and that's all. It's pretty simple. So I hope you understand how to add image inside text in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.